How to lucid dream. In this crash course, we will cover 3 methods for inducing lucid dreams. The first method is developing awareness techniques. Step 1. Keep a dream journal. Keep a dream journal. Keep it close by your bed at night, and write down your dream immediately after waking, or the emotions and sensations you experience right when you wake up. This will train you to remember more of your dreams, which is important for lucid dreaming. Plus, there's not much point in controlling your dreams if you forget the experience before the morning. As an alternative to a paper journal, you can use a recording device or a dream journaling app. You might remember more of your dreams if you stay still for a few minutes and concentrate on the memory before you start writing. It's normal if you don't remember your dreams right away. Step 2. Use reality checks. Use reality checks frequently. Every few hours during the day, ask yourself, "Am I dreaming?" and perform one of the following reality checks. Look around for a familiar object you recognize to see if it's in the correct place. With enough practice, you'll start following the habit in your dreams as well, cluing you into the fact that you're dreaming. Pinch your nose, close your mouth, and test whether you can still breathe. Simply look at your hands and feet. These are often distorted in dreams when you inspect them closely. Read a page of text or the time on a clock, look away, then look back again. In dreams, the text or time will be blurry or nonsensical, or will be different each time you look. Attempt to push your index finger straight through the opposite palm. Really expect it to go through, asking yourself whether you're dreaming or not, both before and after attempting. During a dream, your finger would pass straight through your opposite palm, and asking yourself the question twice will increase your chances of realizing this is not normal. Step 3. Repeat, "I will be aware that I'm dreaming," each time you fall asleep. Repeat, "I will be aware that I'm dreaming," each time you fall asleep. Each night as you fall asleep, repeat to yourself, "I will know I'm dreaming," or a similar phrase until you drift out of consciousness. This technique is known as mnemonic induction to lucid dreaming, or mild. Mnemonic induction just means using memory aids, or in this case using a rote phrase to turn the awareness of your dreaming into an automatic habit. Some people like to combine this step with a reality check by staring at their hands for a few minutes before they go to sleep. Step 4. Learn to recognize your personal dream signs. Learn to recognize your personal dream signs. Read through your journal regularly and look for recurring dream signs. These are recurring situations or events that you may notice in your dreams. Become familiar with these, and you may recognize them while you dream, and therefore notice that you're dreaming. You probably know some of these already. Common dream events include losing your teeth, being chased by something large, or going into public without clothes on. Step 5. Drift back to sleep when awakened from a dream. Drift back to sleep when awakened from a dream. When you wake up and remember your dream, write it down in your dream journal, then close your eyes and focus on the dream. Imagine that you were in the dream, noticed a dream sign or reality check, and realized it was a dream. Hold on to this thought as you drift back to sleep, and you may enter a lucid dream. Note that most lucid dreams occur while the person is fully asleep, usually because they notice a bizarre event and realize they're in a dream. This is just an alternate trigger that starts off about 25% of lucid dreams. Step 6. Consider purchasing a light alarm. Consider purchasing a light alarm. Set it for 4.5, 6, or 7 hours after you fall asleep, or set it to go off every hour if possible. While sound, touch, or other stimuli can also make a dreamer aware of the fact they're dreaming, one study shows that light cues are most effective. You don't want to actually wake yourself up unless you are trying the next method, of course. Keep the light alarm more than arm's reach away from your bed to dim the light. Step 7. Listen to affirmations while you sleep. Listen to lucid dream-inducing affirmations while you sleep. Similar to what happens when you fall asleep in front of the TV, the soft voices in the affirmations should bleed into your dream as you sleep and induce lucidity.
This is a dream.
We have male and female voice versions
You are
available in
aware
the
of your
description below this
dreams.
video. You've reached the end of Lucid Dreaming Academy's crash course, How to Lucid Dream. Rewatch this video as needed, and be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our lucid dreaming courses, tips and guides. Sweet dreams!